This review covers the boys' room light switch cover plate designed for kids' rooms, nurseries, and play areas. We have gathered feedback from various users across the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of this product. This light switch cover plate is a decorative accessory intended to add a playful and colorful touch to a child's bedroom or playroom. It measures 3 inches by 5 inches and fits a single toggle light switch. The cover plate is made of durable plastic with a matte finish, and it comes with screws that match the design for a cohesive look. It is important to note that the light switch itself is not included with the plate. The design is exclusive to the Create a Mural brand, trademarked and printed in the USA, which appeals to those who value supporting small businesses and American-made products. Users consistently praise the quality of the product. Many highlight that the plastic material feels sturdy and durable enough for everyday use in a child's room. Although some mention a preference for a harder plastic or metal cover plate, the current material holds up well and does not show signs of damage easily. The installation process is straightforward and quick, often taking less than a minute to replace the existing switch plate. The included screws are a notable feature because they are designed to blend seamlessly with the pattern on the plate, which is a detail that many users appreciate as it enhances the overall aesthetic. The design itself is well received for its bright, bold colors and fun theme, which fits well with boys' room decor, especially for toddlers and young children. Parents report that their children are drawn to the switch plate, sometimes becoming fascinated with the light switch itself after the decorative plate is installed. This adds a playful element to the room and can even help engage toddlers in learning about light switches safely. Several reviewers emphasize the value of this product as an affordable way to customize and personalize a child's room without extensive renovation or expense. The cover plate serves as a small but impactful decorative accent that complements various room themes, such as trucks or fire alarms, making it versatile for different tastes and preferences. The product's size is described as perfect for standard single toggle switches, and the matte finish helps reduce glare and fingerprints, which is practical for a child's environment. Cleaning is simple with a damp rag, maintaining the plate's appearance over time. While the product has many strengths, some users note minor drawbacks. The plastic material, while durable, is not as robust as metal alternatives, so it may not withstand very rough handling over long periods. However, no reports suggest it breaks easily under normal use. Another point is that this product is a decorative cover only and does not affect the function of the light switch itself. Overall, the boys' room light switch cover plate is a well-designed, affordable, and easy-to-install decorative accessory that enhances the look of a child's room. It combines functionality with fun, making it a popular choice among parents looking to add a special touch to their nursery or toddler's bedroom. The quality, design detail, and ease of installation make it a highly recommended product. If you have this product, consider leaving a review to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.